we shall be here. Okay, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, saan man kayong sulok ng mundo nyo pinapanood ng aking video, thank you so much. And sa mga new subscriber, thank you. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, I am Richelle. So, bali ito yung second channel ko, Richelle B. Ayan, so supposed to be, ang channel na ito is travel, but then because of our situation, hindi tayo makapag-travel ngayon. So, I have some content to make my vlogs continue. I have urban gardening and cooking and some vlogs here in Malta. So, I'm showing some places here in Malta. Okay, anyway. So, today, we're going to unbox ang mainit-init pa at kararating lang na GoPrO Hero Black. Okay, so we ordered it online. And because we tried to find it here, there's some stores here offer the GoPrO 8 also, but then it costs 400 euro, almost 400 euro. Ayan. And then, camera lang din siya, wala siyang mga accessories. So, ang mostly pinopromote nila is yung DJI. So, everywhere you can see the DJI. So, we like to try this action camera kasi last year mahal pa siya. Also in Dubai, we checked the price. So, it's a bit expensive. And we got it online. So, all in all, 346 euro. So, I think we save a lot from this. Because also, when you go to the other shop, if you try to find the Hero 8, minsan, they don't have stock. And they will advise you to go online on their website, the GoPrO website. Okay, so we bought it also sa Amazon Germany. Ayan, kasi nung naghahanap kami online, lumabas yung Amazon Germany na meron silang stock. GoPrO Hero. Okay, so ito na yung box ng GoPrO Hero app. So, camera lang yung kinuha namin. We don't have any accessories. This is our first GoPrO. We don't have 6 or 7 to compare it, but I always see the packaging is the same from the store that we've been. So, let's see. Here we go. So this mount is always free. Yeah, I find it good, small. It is really small. So how you gonna stick on it, this one, to mount it. It's a 4K camera. It can dip into water 10 meters. So let's see. And how are you gonna open this? Here. Okay. So let's add some accessories here. That's it. That's it. This is for the charging, the battery. The battery too small. Huh? Here. Of course, there's a paper. There. You go. Okay, so we will try to charge it and see what's the settings. But for now, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching my video for today. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. And for those who doesn't subscribe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about this GoPrO Hero 8 and have you haven't tried it. And that's it. Have a good day, everyone. See you on my next video. Bye.